Welcome back to Jonas Outdoors. In today's video, I'm going to be clearing out from some storm damage. So yeah, let's get into the video. Tree right here, I pulled out of the woods before I started recording. Not any of those, but this was in the woods. I hooked the chain up to the Ranger and pulled it out, but yeah, let's go get some more out. We lost the top roof of the sugar shack. See if I can show you from the other side. Yeah, there is the roof and there it's missing, but yeah. Where I towed that one log out of the woods, it was sitting right there in the trail, but yeah. Here we have a decent sized pine tree in the trail. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can get it towed out. I forgot a tripod. There it is. Since I did forget a tripod, I'm going to show you guys after I got this chain hooked up. I kinda got the chain hooked up to the tree and we are going to try pulling it. I'm gonna try to get you guys a view of the back, but well, got the tree out of the trail-ish, but I'm going to see if I can find a good spot to put it. Okay, well, I'm going to put it in this little brush pile, but yeah, we got that tree into the brush pile, but I'm going to drive around looking for some more damage, so yeah. We got a full bed of firewood. Take it back to the house and stack it. And I get this firewood unloaded right here. It all unloaded. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.